What is a pin margin option? Typically, a pin has a name and a number. For example, this pin has a name, this name, and a number, which is this one. The pin margin option controls the placement of this name and number. Let's see an example of how it does. Right-click, References, Schematic, General. Under pin margin, we have name and number. The name controls the distance between the outline of the component and the name. The number controls the distance between the number and the outline of the body. The name by default is 50 mils. Let's double that, 100. Apply. As you can see, the distance between the outline and the name increased. Let's increase that again to 150. Apply. As you can see, the distance between the outline of the body and the text or the name increased. Let's increase that number again to 200 mil. Apply. As you can see, the distance increased again. Let's increase it a little bit more to 250. Apply. As you can see, the distance between the outline and the name increased. However, the number stayed the same distance from the outline of the body. In order to change this distance, we use the number. We have 80 mils here. Let's increase it to 120. Apply. And the distance between the number and the outline increased. Let's increase it a little bit more to 150. 150 mil. Apply. And the distance between the number and the outline of the body increased more. Let's decrease this distance a little bit. In order to do that, we enter 40 mil. Apply, and then the distance decreased between this number and the outline all around for all pins. So this is how this option works. In order to go back to the default value that we originally had, go back here, set to defaults, and it will go back. Apply, it will go back to the default setting. And that's how it works. Thank you.